स्टूडेंट्स, माय नेम इज़ कोमल और आज हम पढ़ेंगे डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन। मैं इस चैप्टर में पहले ही आपको वीडियो प्रोवाइड कर चुकी हूँ, आप वो वीडियो भी देख सकते हैं क्योंकि अगर आप वो वीडियो देखेंगे उसके बाद ये वाला कॉन्सेप्ट है जो आपको अच्छे से समझ आएगा। तो इस कॉन्सेप्ट में हम स्टडी करेंगे शो दैट अगर आपके पास एक इक्वेशन गिवन होती है और आपको बताना होता है वो इक्वेशन इस इक्वेशन का डिफरेंशियल सॉल्यूशन है। मतलब अगर आपके पास एक इक्वेशन गिवन होती है उसको आपको प्रूव करना होता है इस सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दिस इक्वेशन। और इस सारी वीडियो में हम ऐसे ही बहुत सारे इक्वेशन सॉल्व करेंगे। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। तो देखिए इसमें आपके पास क्वेश्चन गिवन है शो दैट दिस इक्वेशन y is equals to e minus x plus ax plus b is a solution of differential equation which is this। तो सबसे पहले हम इक्वेशन लिखते हैं y is equals to e of minus x plus a of x plus b। क्लियर। अब सबसे पहले हमें क्या करना है, इसको डिफरेंशिएट dy अपॉन d of x is equals to e of minus x into minus 1 plus a। तो आपके पास वैल्यू आती है माइनस e ऑफ माइनस एक्स प्लस a। अगेन आपको इसको डिफरेंशिएट करना है d स्क्वायर y अपॉन डी एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू माइनस e ऑफ माइनस एक्स इंटू माइनस 1, क्योंकि देखिए माइनस एक्स की डिफरेंशिएशन माइनस 1 होगी और a की क्या होगी 0। तो आपके पास वैल्यू आ गई प्लस e ऑफ माइनस एक्स। तो क्या हम इसे ऐसे लिख सकते हैं 1 अपॉन e ऑफ x, बिल्कुल लिख सकते हैं। तो आपके पास d स्क्वायर y अपॉन डी एक्स स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू 1 अपॉन e ऑफ x। ये आ गया। अगर मैं इसको क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करूं तो आपके पास वैल्यू क्या रहेगी, आपके पास वैल्यू रहेगी e ऑफ x इंटू डी स्क्वायर y इज इक्वल्स टू 1 अपॉन डी एक्स का स्क्वायर, जो आपको प्रूव करना था। सो हमने डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन प्रूव कर दी। आपके पास क्वेश्चन क्या था, शो दैट ये जो इक्वेशन है ये सॉल्यूशन है इसका डिफरेंशियल इक्वेशन का। तो सबसे पहले आपने ये इक्वेशन उतार ली, उसके बाद आपने डिफरेंशिएट करा, फिर डबल डिफरेंशिएशन करी और आपका आंसर आ गया। अब हम एक और क्वेश्चन करते हैं। तो स्टूडेंट्स आपका अगला क्वेश्चन है शो दैट द इक्वेशन ये इज अ सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दिस इक्वेशन। व्हाट इज द क्वेश्चन, शो दैट the equation is a solution of differential equation this। तो सबसे पहले आपने क्या लेना है, y is equals to x sin of x, differentiating this equation dy upon dx is equals to x as it is u into v formula we can use cos of x plus sin of x as it is into 1। so the answer we got is x cos of x plus sin of x। Is that clear? Again, we are just going to put this value in this equation. X as it is, dy dx is equals to x cos of x plus sin of x is equals to y, value is x sin of x plus x root x square minus y का square is x square sin square x। क्लियर। x cos x plus sin x, लेफ्ट हैंड साइड इज इक्वल्स टू x sin x plus x, टेकिंग x कॉमन, x स्क्वायर कॉमन, 1 minus sin square x। is that clear? We are just taking this equation and putting the value of dy by dx and y in this equation। dy dx value is x cos x plus sin x, y is x sin x, and x square cos x plus x sin x is equals to x sin x plus x square, it is x square under the root, it comes x, after it multiplied by x it comes x square into 1 minus sin square is cos square s, taking a root on it it becomes cos of x is the answer of this question, where left hand side is equals to right hand side। this is how this question is to be done, where y is equals to x sin x and the required equation is this। you are just going to put the value of dy by dx and y in the equation, and this is how the question is going to be solved। So students, our next question is show that ax square plus by square is equals to 1 is a solution of differential equation x into y d square y dx square plus dy upon dx का whole square is equals to y dy upon dx. So firstly we are gonna take the differential equation which is x square plus by square is equals to 1. Differentiating this equation we get 2 of x plus b of 2 of y dy upon d of x is equals to 0. Further solving this equation we get, taking 2 common from this equation, we get a of x plus by dy upon dx is equals to 0. 2 will move here and became 0. So ax plus by dy upon dx is equals to 0. We can go through that by dy upon dx is equals to minus a of x. We can move b from here to here. So we have just transferred b to the denominator. This is the value after first differentiation of this equation. Then we are again gonna differentiate this whole equation, which is u into v. U as it is, differentiating the second, d square y upon dx square plus dy upon dx, y differentiation as dy upon dx into dy upon d of x, which is as it is equals to minus a upon b. Clear? So we can put the value of minus a upon b. Yes, we can do so. We have just transferred x in this. So from this equation, if we say y upon x dy upon d of x is equals to minus a upon b, we can get this value from this equation too. The equation from the first differentiation is y dy upon dx is equals to minus a upon b of d of x. If we are going to transfer this x from this multiplication to the division, we are going to get y upon x dy upon dx is equals to minus a upon b. And putting the value of minus a upon b from this to this, we get y d square y upon dx square plus dy upon dx whole square, because these are 2, because the value is 1 1, because we have 1 and 1, adding these powers we get 2 is equals to minus 1 upon b is y upon x dy upon d of x. Clear? If we transfer this dividation of x to the multiplication of this equation, this is the required solution of this question. So what we have just done, we have transferred the x from denominator to the numerator, or from the division to the multiplication. Clear? This is the answer of this question, or the required differential equation. This and this is the same. What we have just done, we are just first gonna differentiate this equation and again differentiating this whole equation, putting the value of minus a and b to the equation, and we get the answer. So we are going to forward with another question. Our next question is, show that y is equals to cx plus a upon c is the solution of this equation. So firstly we are going to differentiate the equation. Dy upon dx is equals to c. If the differentiation is taken, the value comes c. Putting the value of dy by dx into this equation, we get y is equals to x into dy by dx into c plus a into dx upon dy. It means 1 upon c. Reciprocate the situation. So we get an answer which is c of x plus a upon c is equals to y, which is the required answer to the question. Because we are given the value of y, which is this, we can put that cx plus a upon c is equals to cx upon a plus c is the answer of this question. Very easy question, where an equation is given, you have to first differentiate the equation. Putting the value of c in this equation, you get the answer. Moving to the further topic. So students, moving towards our next topic, which is solution of differential equation by methods of variable separable. So students, in this topic we are just going to integrate the differential equations. What we are going to do, we are just going to differentiate the differential equation, and don't worry, we are going to solve many questions regarding the topic so that there is no problem in the solution and the topic. So let's get started. So students, this is the question where dy by dx is equals to x square plus sine 3x, and we have to solve this question using variable separable. So we are going to do this firstly, plus sine of 3 of x into d of x, and using integration. So in variable separable you have to integrate like this. Make the value y this side and x this side and integrate both of the sides. So where comes y is equals to x cube upon cube plus minus cos of 3 of x upon 3 plus c. This is the answer of this question. In variable separable you have to firstly separate y and x and then take integration to both sides and solve this question like this. So don't worry students, we are going to solve many questions regarding the topic, so there is no problem in the topic. So further moving ahead with the second question. So students, our next question is square root a plus x dy upon dx plus x is equals to 0. So we are going to firstly write this equation. Dy upon dx is equals to minus of x, taking x to right hand side. Then dividing root a plus x. The value comes dy upon dx is equals to minus x upon root a plus x. So after taking dx to this side, the value comes dx. Exactly. The equation is solved like this. Then we are going to integrate the equation. Here comes the value y is equals to. So I have already provided you many videos regarding integration. You can easily see that and have a concept cracked on that clearly. So what we have done, minus x and plus x. We have done minus x and minus a and plus a. So taking this common, taking this minus common, x plus a upon root a plus x plus a upon root a plus x of d of x. So we are going to solve this question here further. The side became root x plus a, taking minus common of d of x, plus a, taking a common, a plus x of minus 1 by 2 of d of x. So solving this question further, we get x plus a 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 1 by 2 plus 1 plus a plus x minus 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 1 by 2 plus 1 plus c is the answer of this question. We have just integrated the value. The value come a plus x into 3 by 2 plus 2 ax plus 1 by 2 plus c is equals to y. This is the answer of this question. Very easy question. You have to firstly integrate this equation. How? Firstly, you have to change the equation in the form of y is equals to x. Then integrating this question and solving this equation the way we integrate a question. We have just integrated it and solved the question step by step, and this is the answer of this question. So students, your next question is dy upon dx is equals to e of x plus y. So we are going to firstly separate this e of x into e of y. Further solving it, e of x into d of x, taking it to multiplication, cross multiplication, dy upon e of y, and integrating it from both sides. So what we have done, we have simply taken the value dy by dx is equals to ax plus y, separating this value by cross multiplication and integrating both sides. So here comes the value e of minus y upon minus 1 is equals to e of x plus c. So e of minus y is equals to minus e of x plus c. E of minus y plus e of x plus c is equals to 0 is the answer of this question. So what we have done, we have just simply cross multiplied and integrated it, find the value, and this is the answer of this question. So students, our next question is x minus y square x d of x is equals to y minus x square y of d of y. So we are going to take common x from the equation and from this y, 1 minus x ka square of d of y. Clearly, then what we are going to do, we are just going to keep this though, keep x and dx here and taking 1 minus x square to this and going 1 minus y square to the denominator to because of cross multiplication. What we have done, we have just taken x and dx here and put 1 minus x square to this, y and dy here and put 1 minus y square here, then integrating both sides. Clearly, then integrated both sides and solving these two, we get minus. What we are going to do, we are just going to take multiply and divide, minus 2 is equals to multiply and divide minus 2 here also. So what we have got, 1 by 2 log 1 minus x square is equals to minus 1 by 2 log 1 minus y square is equals plus c. This is the answer of this question. Very easy question. The equation is this, you are just going to separate x and y as I always said, integrating both sides, and you get the answer of your question, which is this. Now we are going to forward with the next question. So students, our next question is dy upon dx is equals to x plus y plus xy plus 1. So firstly, as usual, we are going to separate x and y. We are going to separate x and y. Clearly taking 1 plus x as common, you get 1 plus x and 1 plus y. Clearly taking 1 plus x common, you get 1 plus x and 1 plus y with the help of factorization. Clearly, what we are going to do next, dy upon 1 plus y is equals to 1 plus x of d of x. Clearly taking integration sign both sides, log 1 plus y is equals to x plus x square upon 2 plus c. This is the answer of this question. The values given, dy upon dx is equals to x plus y, xy plus 1. You are going to separate x and y and taking integration on both sides. This is how this question is going to be solved. So moving forward to the last question of this video. So let's get started. So students, our next question is x plus 1 dy upon dx is equals to 2e minus y minus 1, where x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 0. So firstly, we are just going to solve this. Dy upon, we are just going to take the whole equation to the denominator and taking dx to the upper side and x plus 1 to the below side of this equation. Clearly, what we are going to do next, we are just going to 1 upon e of y minus 1 is equals to dx upon x plus 1. So clearly dy, which is e of x, taking LCM, 1 minus e of y. Clearly 1 minus e of y. So the question is solved like this, is equals to d of x upon x plus 1. So the question is just like that, taking minus both side, take outside and inside the integration, we get our answer, which is minus log 2 minus e of y is equals to log x plus 1 plus c. So what we have done, we have just cross multiplied this to here, this to this, here to this. We have just cross multiplied the various variable given in the equation and just taking LCM of e and y and taking integration, we get the two variable, which is minus log 2 minus e of y is equals to log x plus 1 plus c. Now we are just going to put the value of x and y in this equation to get the value of c. So we are going to put two variables, which is x is equals to 0 and y is equals to 0 in the equation to get the value of c. So minus log 2 minus e, y value 0 is equals to log x value 0 plus 1 plus c. Clearly minus log 2 minus e to the power 0 is 1 is equals to log 1 plus c. 2 minus 1 is 1 is equals to log of 1 plus 0. Do you know that log 1 is equals to 0? Here come value 0, here come value 0 plus c. So the value of c becomes 0. So students, putting the value of c in the equation, we get minus log 2 minus e of y minus log x plus 1 is equals to 0. We have just taken the value of log x plus y to the left hand side. This is how the equation is formed. So further going ahead, log, if we are just going to take minus common from here, 2 minus e of y plus log x plus 1 is equals to 0. Log a plus log b, log a into log b, correct. Minus, if it is divided by 0, it became nothing. So the value comes log a plus log b. Log a into b is equals to 0. If we take e to both the side, it became log e became 1. So the equation we have get 2 minus e of y x plus 1 is equals to e the power 0 is 1. So what we have done, we have just put the value of c and solved the question a little bit by just log a into log b, and we have just put the value log a plus log b is log a into b, and log e the power 0 is 1. This is how this question is going to solve. This is the question. You have to put this value. Firstly integrate the question, then find out the value of c, put the value of c, and you will get the answer of this question. So students, in this video we have done many questions from variable, separable and from the earlier differential equations too. I hope though this topic is well understood to you. If there is any doubt in the topic, you can comment me, or you can put the query, ma'am, this is the question I am in a query, please solve it. I will solve the doubt for you. So if you like this video, please like this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.